I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our 16-ounce stainless steel cup with a straw.
Right after this. Okay, so today in this video, we are going to be working with our 16-ounce stainless steel cup. This does have a nice straw with it as well. It does come in this box when you do receive, so you're going to get this in a little bag and a straw in a bag and ready to go. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our design using Photoshop, and we printed using the sheet feeder on our F570. Okay, we did print on an 8.5 by 11, so I'm going to go ahead and trim this up. Okay, before pressing, make sure you remove the top and then place your image and use thermal tape to hold it in place. And make sure not to overlap your tape with your image because it could cause some discoloration. And we are using our BJ870 with the large latte attachment. And we're pressing today at 330 degrees for 200 seconds at a medium pressure. Oh. And it is still warm, so we want to let it cool off before putting the top back on.
Okay, so now you have one personalized tumbler. We have already put the lid on as well as the straw. The straw goes in first and then place the lid on. And thank you for watching our video tutorial. Anything else you want to add in there, Meredith?
If you do like the artwork that we have here, be sure to check out our digital marketplace at coastalbusiness.com.
And also be sure to check out our product templates as well as instructions. And we'll see you next time.